Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Odyssey Elite. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. And this vehicle does have a lot of LED lights. If any of them appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of the camera. It doesn't do that to the human eye. You see it does have fog lights and alloy wheels. This one's also got a sunroof. And Honda does an excellent job of utilizing every cubic inch of their vehicle. So as you see, it has very deep stowage, and it does have the Honda vac in it also. And these seats are, as you see, they can fold flat. I'll go ahead and pull them back forward. There's also a power outlet back here, power liftgate, see the second row captain's chairs, and these are very comfortable seats, by the way. And you see right here, there's your HDMI port and your two power outlets, and as you come up above, you'll see the drop down LCD screen for the entertainment in the rear. And if you look here, you have your VIN, and I will upload still photos as well. There are your true driver presets right here. Okay, as you come up here, you'll see that it has 26,006 miles on this vehicle. You do have paddle shifters right here, and then of course you have your push to talk, stereo controls, cruise control, push button start, and you see that it also has both cooled or heated front seats, automatic start stop, snow and econ. You have a Blu-ray disc player right here, and you have a typical, here we go, a typical 12 volt right here, and then you have a 115 volt outlet right here. And so that is super nice to be able to plug one of those in. And then you also have a remote start on your remote, and charging station that's wireless, and then you have two 2.5 amps, and then you have an auxiliary port right here for MP3 and such. As you come up here, you have your comfort controls, your shifter. All right, so you see that it is equipped with Bluetooth. Jump over, you do have navigation powered by Garmin. Again, this does not flicker to the human eye. That is the refresh rate of the camera that makes it look that way. And we did phone already, and then stereo sounds great. So you do have AM, FM, and then Bluetooth. Just bounce on home. See, it also is equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, rear entertainment controls right there, system updates, and My Honda Music, and Cabin Watch and Cabin Talk are our unsung heroes of this van. So this allows you, obviously, to see what's going on in the back of the vehicle. And then Cabin Talk allows you to talk to them even if they have their headphones in. So between speakers and headphones. And then if you go ahead and put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. Then coming up here, there's your rear view and your controls for your sunroof. And then right here you have your glasses holder, and that also doubles as a conversation mirror. All right, then we'll go ahead and hop out. Okay, this vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front that affected from the driver front quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the State of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.